MahaShivratri is a day to honor and celebrate Lord Shiva. Shivratri is a great festival of convergence of Shiva and Shakti. It is a festival marking the overcoming of darkness and ignorance. In all humility, let us now be graced by the divine presence of Vishwaguru Shri 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 Aathmanandamayi Mataji.
Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Om Sushumna. With reverence and respect to our Gurus, my warm and heartfelt greetings to you all on this auspicious occasion of MahaShivratri. According to our Hindu culture, it is believed that Lord Shiva can be pleased easily and readily, gives boons to his devotees. But the real reason is that it is simple to understand the Shiva philosophy, referred as Shiva Tattva. Shiva Tattva is not merely understood by reading ancient texts, but by introspecting oneself. History denotes how not only saints and seers like Adi Shankara and Markandeya realized this philosophy, but was also easily understood by ardent devotees like Bhakta Kannappa, not through education, but by love, devotion, and by self-inquiry for the absolute truth that is eternal and within. The Shiva Tattva preaches about the inherent true nature of every soul that is devoid of desires, wills, or wishes. A state where the gunas have no reflection. It is an empty state with no distinction. Everyone can achieve this through Sushumna Kriya Yoga meditation. MahaShivratri is the day Lord Shiva attained this perfect state. Lord Shiva is Purnatva, completeness, fullness incarnate by upholding family dharma as Umapati, as Shankara the provider, protector, and as Adiyogi the master of his self. Sakaram in Shiva refers to family dharma. Ikaram refers to Udyoga dharma, and Vakaram self-realization or the absolute truth. On this auspicious day of MahaShivratri, when the Lord attained absolute state of completeness through meditation, let us also begin our journey to reach the state of self-realization through the powerful yet simple technique of Sushumna Kriya Yoga. Now, let us learn about Sushumna Kriya Yoga. Sushumna Kriya Yoga is a combination of 4 meditative techniques. In this, we have Yoga Mudra, Omkara chanting, deep breathing with bhava, and focus in our third eye region. First Kriya is the Yoga Mudra. There are 72,000 nadis in our body. Among them, the most important are Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. In Yoga Mudra, when we bring the two thumbs together, the Sushumna Nadi gets more vibrations. When the two pointers are touched, Ida and Pingala Nadis receive more vibrations. When we interlock the remaining three fingers, all the remaining nadis receive more energy vibrations. In Sushumna Kriya Yoga, the Yoga Mudra is very, very important. It has many benefits. Normally, when we meditate, we receive cosmic energy from our Brahmarandra. Because of the Yoga Mudra, additionally, the same amount of energy is formed as a Sri Chakra in our navel region. Hands should be in Yoga Mudra throughout Sushumna Kriya practice. Second Kriya is the Omkara. Omkara is the highest sound energy. In this Kriya, we chant Omkara for 21 times. We chant the Omkara slowly from the navel region, and while chanting, we have to listen to our own Omkara. Omkara is a combination of Akara, Ukara and Makara syllable. In this Kriya, we chant A syllable and Ma syllable in 1:2 ratio. The Ma syllable should be longer. Let us all once chant Omkara together. Omkara must be chanted for a minimum of 21 times and to a maximum of 10 minutes. Third Kriya is long and deep breaths with Bhava. Normally, our breaths are very shallow. Because of this, all the cells in our body, especially brain cells, are not able to receive the required oxygen. Deep breathing must be done slowly inhaling and slowly exhaling, and with a feeling that our breaths are reaching the navel region. When we are breathing in, we must feel that we are taking in all positive qualities, and when we are breathing out, we just breathe out the negative qualities. These long breaths must be done for at least 14 times and for a maximum of 10 minutes. Omkara and deep breaths must be done according to one's own lung capacity. The fourth Kriya, we must focus our attention in the third eye region. While focusing here, we must not chant any mantra or imagine any form of God or a guru. Thoughtless state is called meditation. Slowly leave out all the thoughts and bring all your awareness to the third eye region. When we do this, the cosmic energy vibrations will slowly start flowing in. Now, you all must sit straight, keep your hands in Yoga Mudra, close your eyes, and start Omkara chanting 21 times along with me. Now 14 times long and deep breaths with Bhava. Now focus your full attention in between your eyebrows. That is the third eye region. Take your hands out of the Yoga Mudra, place them on your eyes, and slowly come out of meditative state. Now tell me, is this process difficult to practice? This is very simple, isn't it? If you practice Sushumna Kriya for 49 minutes for 49 days, then you will understand its power. This is how it is designed. You must not miss a single day. If you miss one day, then you will need to add 10 days to the 49 days. If you don't have time, then at least practice for 21 minutes. This Kriya has been designed based on 7 chakras. Another important point is that every day before sleeping, you must definitely practice self-introspection for at least 10 minutes. In addition to the 4 Kriyas, think that this is the 5th Kriya. When you practice like this on the 49th day, you will understand the power in this Kriya. I heartily wish that you all must practice Sushumna Kriya and lead a healthy, energetic, skillful and a joyful life. Mangalam, Nitya Shubha Mangalam.
चन्द्रमङ्गलं चन्द्रमङ्गलं जगतमङ्गलं जगतमङ्गलं जीव